Hi guys, welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. Today I got in the mail something for Freckled Fawn, and I thought I would unbox it for y'all. I haven't purchased any scrapbook stuff for quite a while, but they were having a really like a $1 sale, $1 or $2 sale, so I thought that I would take advantage of that and purchase a few items. I honestly cannot even remember what I bought, but I know that it was between the $1 and $2 mark. So I don't know why this is all dirty, but it is what it is. So but anyways, I thought I would unbox it for you because I haven't done a video in forever, so that is what I'm going to do. It looks like I might have gotten some freebies too, because it seems like everything is in a paper bag. Oh, let's just destroy this envelope. Yeah. Looks like my order is in a paper bag. So, and these must be freebies. Yeah, I'm guessing they are. These are white alphabet puffy stickers. Letter alphabet. Very cool. And, oh, these are cute too. And these are pebbles, puffy stickers. Cute. Okay. So let's see what I ordered. I certainly can't remember. Okay, so this is Journal Studio. Puffy stickers. Don't you love puffy stickers? I don't know. They just always bring me joy. And I like the little tiny ones too, because then you can add them to cluster. You can add them to your clusters. So yesterday I just spent, oh my goodness, how many hours? Okay, so I had an assignment due last night by midnight, but I got it done at around, I was done and it was submitted by about 8 o'clock. So our 4-H club has it's the county has a scrapbook competition where all the clubs submit a scrapbook and then they pick the best one and that kind of thing. Well, the deadline is September 4th, and so we kind of divvied out all the photos because we're not allowed to meet yet because of COVID. So, and normally we get together and we scrapbook. But I had to get it done, and I have assignments that are due this weekend, and so that's what I need to focus on. And for school, and it's like I knew that I would not have time to get it done, so I stayed up till 2 a.m. to finish those pages. I had like 12, I think I did 12 layouts from 8 p.m. to 2 a.m., which is about 6 hours. What, is that 6 hours? No, 4 hours. I can't even think straight. Or no, that's 6 hours. Between 8 and 2 a.m. That's 6 hours. I don't know. It's the math. The math just is not connecting with me this morning. So, these were really cute. More puffy stickers. So anyways, I used a lot of my stash in doing the 4-H pages. And so replenishing is always fun. Oh, these are cool. I love these little hearts. I think puffy hearts and puffy stars are probably my favorite. This is Journal Studio. This was a really good sale. I mean, I'm talking really good sale. You don't normally get to purchase, these for like $1. Like this was $1. A whole set of letter stickers. And they're not really red. I think it said they were red, but they they kind of look like it's kind of a different, it is red, but it's kind of a different red. I don't know what you would call it. It's not, it's appearing, on camera it's appearing like burgundy, but it's not. And these are just month stickers. I don't normally do Project Life. I would love to do Project Life, but it's just too, it's too entailed for, I mean, what is the word I'm looking for? I'm tired, guys. I'm sorry. It's too involved. Like, I don't have time to be so involved in it. Although I love watching videos of Project Life, especially, oh, what's her name? She's my favorite. Now I'm gonna draw a blank. I can't even think of what her name is, but she does really cool Project Life videos. I mean, I do watch Inky Quills. Oh, Froggy. Froggy, and she has some numbers after it. But that's the name of her channel, is Froggy. Froggie. Froggy, and then some numbers after it, like 3 numbers after it. But yeah, hers are my favorite Project Life videos. She has one daughter, and she does a lot of layouts on animals. I think she works with animals in her real job. And I just love the way she does Project Life. But anyway, I like watching them. I just don't do it. But I will probably use these in my planner, is what I was gonna say, in the longest way possible. So. And this as well. These will probably be used in my planner. Probably on the tabs. I haven't put stuff on my tabs yet. So, very cute. Days of the week. And some good old label stickers. I actually was using some of these yesterday, so it's a good thing that I replenished it. I have this exact sheet. So. And another set of letter stickers for $1. I'm really excited about 2 things that are in here. And when they come up, I'll tell you about it, because they were only $2 a piece, and I was really excited to get them. And you'll understand why in a few minutes. I have this set too. Love the chipboard hearts. Another fave. Just adds a little dimension to the page. Sorry, I have animal hair all over my pillow. Oh no. What in the world? Oh, this is just a Freckled Fawn sticker. And then these are like washi tape stickers. This is Thanksgiving, thankful. And I have this set too. I used quite a few of these yesterday too. Scrapbook layout. Anyways, there is dog hair on my pillow because this couch that I'm sitting on, the animals sleep on at night. So this is one I don't have. These are washi tape stickers too. Love these. I kind of like those. Okay, is this one of the big ones that I was, yeah, I think so. Okay, so this was $2. It is chipboard, and it is a album cover, and for December Daily. And I have those rings that go in here. I have a whole bunch of them. So this is going to be my December Daily this year, and I am going to create my own pages and just punch 2 holes and fill it with pages, and I can make the album as big as I want because I have several different sizes of those rings. And yeah, I might stain this like with what is it called? Tim Holtz makes it, that is it walnut stain, or the walnut ink or whatever, and give it kind of a walnut ink color. So I'm really excited about that. And I have another one too that I purchased, which is Traveler's Notebook size. So kind of excited about that as well. So this will probably be the following year. I'll do a project, or I'll do my December daily. So I have the next 2 years of December daily, the albums already here for $2 a piece. How can you beat that? So, and it's basically the front and back cover, and then you just use your own rings and you create your own pages to go inside. So super excited about that. And I'll probably stain them different colors. Like this one, I will probably do either a red or a green, with red or green ink. And then, like I said, I'll probably do this one with the walnut ink stain, so they will look completely different. Here is a set of 2 wood veneer. I think I was calling those chipboard. Those the album covers are wood veneer. It's always better when we are together. Love that. And then this is just a heart one. Very cute. And then some washies. If you've been watching my channel for quite a while, or any length of time, you will know that I love plaids. I absolutely love them. They are my favorite. I'm sitting on a plaid couch. I have plaid wallpaper. I love plaids. But anytime I see a plaid washi tape, I want it. I'm instantly attracted to plaids. As well as pattern scrapbook paper. Love plaid pattern scrapbook paper. Okay, so this is the pages for, this was a kit. It's got a bunch of different pages, and it goes inside of this. So you just punch holes and it goes inside of this. And then you can add your own individual pages as well. But I don't even know what these look like. So I'm going to open it. And see. See what pages are in here, if I can get this off. There we go. Okay. So this page just says December memories, and it's got all the months, or all the days of the month, which is really cool. Then on the back is stars. Here's another one. It's the same. So there must be 2 of each, which is okay, because then you can use them for 2 years. And then this is just like a green with a black polka dot. Christmas trees and hearts and black and white. And this one is the same. Sorry, I have the hiccups. And then this is a green and white polka dot. And like a green snowflake doily pattern in the back. Very pretty. And the same. This is like a red diamond. And then a light blue and white snowflake. The same. And then this is like kind of like a mini candy cane stripe in red and white. And then this just says Merry Christmas. And that's the last page. So that's quite a few pages to go inside that December daily. It's kind of fun getting my December daily all situated. Oh, and 2 of these. Oh, I must have ordered 2 of these. I did not even realize it. Okay, well, I have doubled that. No. Some more wood veneer. This is also for December daily. Memories, December daily, joy, and then a candy cane, a present, and a Christmas tree. So I'm excited about December daily. Allie Edwards has already somewhat launched her collection for December daily this year. Oh, I got another one. Did I order 2 of these? Oh well, can't have too many of those. Okay, so but anyway, I think they must have run out of stuff. I'm guessing they must have run out of stuff and they substituted, because I did not order all of this stuff, so that's fine. But I just used some of these yesterday. But I love this because these hearts are glittery. They're white glitter. And I got 2 of these. I don't think that I ordered duplicates. I think that probably what happened is they thought they had more than what they did of a certain product, and so they substituted. This is a green plaid washi, which will be great for December daily. But anyways, what I was saying is Allie Edwards already somewhat launched her December daily, and I noticed that Ellie Studio also is just about to launch theirs. So that's kind of exciting as well, because I have a subscription to Ellie Studio, but they're like the monthly thing that's like $10 a month. But they just advertised that they are their December daily is almost ready, and they're getting ready to launch it, and you can bundle it with your next subscription. I probably will not order it because I have plenty of Christmas stuff, so I will not add that. But these are my favorite Enamel Dots. And then these cork, I don't remember ordering these because I have a whole bunch of these. I'm not sure. These are cork arrows, and I'm not a huge fan of arrows, so I think that must have been a freebie because I wouldn't have ordered those. And that's it. That's everything. So it was a pretty good deal. In all, I think I spent $36. I'm pretty sure I spent like $36. But so not too bad for all this stuff. I mean, I got more than 36 items here, definitely. So, but yeah. So anyways, I just wanted to stop in and say hi and let you know that I'm still here. I'm still existing and still going to school, still exercising as much as I can. COVID has kind of screwed that up a little bit, but it's dying down a little bit, so we don't really have too many positive cases anymore, and we've overall through the whole thing we've only actually had 1 death. So I'm hopeful that this is over with soon, but you know, you just don't know. You don't know with something like this. So I wish you all the best. Good health to everyone, and I will see you back here sometime. I don't know when, but keep on scrapbooking. Bye.